Weather Service. For the following county, Northern Virginia, Blue Ridge, Virginia. Winter storm warning in effect from 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. Monday. Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulation 3 to 6 inches above 3,000 feet. The areas affected include Northern Virginia, Blue Ridge. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. Monday. Rain will change to snow Monday morning, mostly likely between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. Monday morning. The heaviest snow is expected late Monday morning. Snowfall rates around 1 inch per hour are possible. Impacts: plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning commute. Additional details: visibility will be reduced to below a half-mile at times in falling snow. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. When venturing outside, watch your first few steps taken on steps, sidewalks, and driveways, which could be icy and slippery, increasing your risk of a fall and injury.